Did you know these wild facts about the animal kingdom? From fish that taste with their skin, to creatures that survive in outer space, get ready to be amazed. Let's dive beneath the surface of muddy rivers and lakes, where a truly remarkable fish glides through the shadows. The catfish. At first glance, the catfish may seem unremarkable, but look closer and you'll notice its long, sensitive whiskers, called barbels, sweeping the riverbed. These barbels are packed with taste buds, but that's just the beginning of its superpower. Incredibly, the catfish has taste buds covering its entire body, over 100,000 of them. This means it can literally taste its environment, detecting the faintest traces of food in murky, dark waters where other fish are blind. Scientists have marveled at this adaptation, which allows the catfish to thrive in environments that would challenge most aquatic life. Whether searching for a meal or avoiding predators, the catfish's entire body acts as a living sensor, mapping the world through taste. Barbels, skin, fins, even the tail, all are covered in taste receptors, leaving no part of the catfish unaware of its surroundings. This super-sensing ability gives the catfish an edge, making it one of the most adaptable and successful fish on the planet. From the river's depths to the muddy shallows, the catfish's senses never sleep. Now, let's shrink our perspective even further, to the microscopic world, where we'll meet a creature that redefines toughness, the tardigrade. They seem unassuming, but they possess a superpower that allows them to endure conditions that would spell instant death for almost any other life form. When faced with an environment that becomes inhospitable, be it a lack of water, extreme temperatures, or lethal radiation, the tardigrade does something extraordinary. It enters a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. It retracts its legs, expels the water from its body, and curls into a tiny desiccated ball known as a ton. In this state, its metabolism slows to less than 1/100% of its normal rate. They have been revived after being boiled in water and frozen to temperatures just shy of absolute zero. They can withstand pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches. Most remarkably, they can survive the vacuum of outer space, enduring lethal doses of solar and cosmic radiation. Our next subject demonstrates a form of regeneration so complete, it borders on true immortality. This is the planarian, a simple non-parasitic flatworm found in freshwater ponds and rivers across the world. It glides along surfaces using tiny hairs called cilia, its 2 primitive eye spots giving it a perpetually cross-eyed appearance. It is a simple organism, yet it holds one of the most complex and sought-after biological secrets, the ability to regrow its entire body from almost any fragment. If you were to cut a planarian into pieces, you would not end its life. Instead, you would multiply it. A single worm cut into 2, 3, or even more sections will, over the course of a few weeks, result in that many new, complete worms. A fragment from the tail will grow a new head, and a fragment from the head will grow a new tail. Each piece retains a perfect blueprint of the whole organism, a biological map that guides this incredible reconstruction. This is not just healing, it is a complete rebirth. The source of this power lies in a remarkable population of adult stem cells, called neoblasts. In the forests of North America, a remarkable survival strategy unfolds with the changing of the seasons. Here lives the wood frog, an unassuming amphibian with an astonishing adaptation to the cold. As autumn gives way to winter and temperatures plummet, most cold-blooded creatures must find shelter deep underground or in water to avoid freezing. The wood frog, however, does the opposite. It finds a shallow burrow in the leaf litter, allows the frost to creep in, and simply freezes solid. This is not a slow, gradual cooling. As ice crystals begin to form on its skin, a rapid, systemic freezing process is triggered throughout its body. Its heart stops beating. Its breathing ceases. It has no brain activity. To any observer, the frog is dead. Up to 70% of the water in its body turns to ice. Our final destination is the deep ocean, home to a creature that has achieved biological immortality. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. This tiny bell-shaped hydrozoan no bigger than a fingernail drifting through the world's oceans, seemingly like any other jellyfish. It hunts, it reproduces, it lives its life. But when it faces stress, injury, the simple decline of old age, it performs a biological miracle. Instead of succumbing to death, the adult jellyfish initiates cellular transdifferentiation. It sinks to the ocean floor, bell retracting, tentacles deteriorating. But this is not the end. Cells begin to transform, reverting to a cyst-like earliest stage. From this cyst, a new polyp colony grows, the juvenile stage of a jellyfish. From that polyp, genetically identical jellyfish butt off, ready to begin life anew. It is the ultimate do-over. Not just regeneration, a complete reversal of the life cycle. From the regenerating axolotl to the timeless immortal jellyfish, we have witnessed abilities that stretch the very fabric of possibility. Nature is full of surprises, abilities straight out of a superhero movie. Which adaptation shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments.